Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on the autistic edge. I am Terry and Alleyne, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how to remove slime from clothing. We have shared with you in this video here before the benefits of slime, and especially for children on the spectrum. And slime has been a all-time favorite for our kids these days. However, slime has also become a pain for most of our parents. Now, I am here to make your life a little bit easier, so I'm going to share with you how I remove slime from clothing. Fresh slime is easier to work with than the dry and hardened slime. The sooner you address the slime, it's the easier it will be removed, so just bear that in mind. Now, how we remove it? Now, here we have a shirt with the hardened slime, and this slime stain has been there for over a month now, as we weren't sure how to remove it. So here, what we have done, firstly, we place the stained area of the shirt in a container. No need to immerse the entire shirt, just the area that is needed for treatment. Then I have poured some boiling water on the affected area. Now this material is cotton, so it can handle the hot water. Allow it to sit for about 3 minutes. The hot water here will soften the slime and make it a little bit easier to be removed. Alright, 3 minutes, and you can use up to 5 minutes. Just look at what progress you have gotten, and then you will see how it works for you. Now use a soft brush. Now I have here in my hand an old wash brush, as you can see. Now I have this wash brush for many years, right? Now the older the brush, the softer the brittles will be. And if you don't have a soft brush, you can use a toothbrush as well. All right, so hold one end of the brush and gently rub the affected area. This will help to loosen and soften up the slime a little bit more, so that it can be easily removed, especially if it is one of those stubborn and older slimes. As you can see here, I'm just rubbing gently. No need to apply any exorbitant pressure, but rubbing gently. The water is very hot, so I won't put my hand in at this time, but I'll just help to loosen it up. Alright, this one is coming off nicely. You can see the slime here, and you can see a little bit of the slime here on the brush as well. Right, now as we go along, it wasn't as clean as I would have wanted to after rubbing for a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. So what I do now is just allow it to sit in the water. I'm just gonna allow the shirt to sit in the water, and until the water has become cool or it's more favorable, so that I can put my hands in it. After I think the water is warm enough or more bearable on my hands, now I can take it up. Yes, it's fine. Test the water just to make sure that it's not too hot. Now I can proceed to applying a little bit more pressure with the brush. And as I said, make sure that the brush is soft. Now as you can see, I am just rub the area, apply a little bit more pressure, and I just rub the area until it is now all gone. Yep. Now after the boiling water, after the boiling of the water, the removal process took around 15 to 20 minutes. The wait time for the water to cool down is dependent on how much your hands can bear the water, how much you can tolerate on your hands then I just wash the shirt as normal and then throw it in the dryer, and here is my final product. The shirt is now dry, no hard slime, and it's ready to wear again. Yeah. All right, so if you missed it, here is the shirt again, all looking good. I would have shown you in the video. So here is our shirt again. So Alex is ready to wear his shirt again. I would strongly recommend that you air dry the clothing. If you have not removed all the slime, the dryer can harden the remaining slime and make it more difficult for you to remove, or you just have to repeat the entire process all over again. While if you find a small amount of slime that is left on the cloth or the fabric, you can just remove it by either using a butter knife or rub it a little bit more with your soft brush or your toothbrush, because it would have already been softened and probably just need a little bit more extra effort to get it removed. I was able to remove all of the slime at one go, so putting it in the dryer was fine for me, never had an issue. Now pay attention to the fabric instruction when using hot water. Not all fabric are heat friendly, so we need to be mindful of that. If you have fabric that has like beads or little sequins and such, and those type of fabric may not be suitable for using the hot water treatment, so you may have to look at other options. All right, now this activity, I just want to warn you, this activity should only be done by a responsible adult. No child should be doing this activity, and it's best to keep the children away from this activity to avoid any accident. And let me know what you think about this in the comment below. Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on the autistic edge. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guess what? Make sure that you hit the notification bell, that the next time we upload another content, you will be notified.